butterfly, bed, bag, bear, button, ball. Letter C. C says cup. C for car, cap, cat, cake, coat. Letter D. D says duck. D for dog, donkey, drum, duck. Letter E. E says E for eagle, engine, elephant, egg. Letter F. F says F. F for frog, fire, fish, frog, fairy. Letter G. G says G. G for goat, guitar, gift, girl. Letter H. H says H. H for hippopotamus, helicopter, hen, hut, hammer. Letter I. I says E. I for igloo, ice, ink pot. Letter J. J says J. J for joker, jam, jug, jeep. Letter K. K says K. K for king, kangaroo, kite. Letter L. L says L. L for ladder, lamp, lion, laddu, lamp. M. M says M. M for moon, monkey, mango, man, mobile. Letter N. N says N. N for noodles, newspaper, nuts, nurse, nest.